ICSE Maths Class 9 Chapter 6 Exercise 6C. Question number 1. Evaluate. First part देखिए 5 raised to power 0 into 4 raised to power minus 1 plus 8 raised to power 1 by 3. अब 5 raised to power 0 1 हो गया, 4 raised to power minus 1 that will be equal to 1 by 4 plus as it is 8 की जगह पर हमने लिखा 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3, so 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so we will get here 1 by 4 plus 2, so that will be 2 and 1 by 4 will be the answer. Now come to the second part. Cube root of 64 raised to power minus 4 into 125 raised to power minus 2. This can be written like this: the cube root of 1 upon 64 की power 4 into 1 upon 5 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 2. Here it will be 1 upon 64 की power 4 into 5 raised to power 3 की power 2 whole raised to power 1 by 3. जो ये क्यूब रूट का साइन था उसको मैंने 1 by 3 कर दिया. So 1 upon 4 raised to power 3, 64 को 4 raised to power 3 into 4 into 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 5 raised to power 3 into 2 into 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled again. So we will get ultimately 1 upon 4 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 2. It will be equal to 256. So 1 upon 256 into 1 by 25, it will be equal to 1 upon 6400. Now come to the third part, that is 9 raised to power minus 3 into 16 raised to power 3 by 2, bracket whole raised to power 1 by 6. So 9 can be written 3 by 2, 3 raised to power 2 into minus 3 into 1 by 6, and 16 that can be written 4 raised to power 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 6. Here you see the 3 to the 6 and 2 will be cancelled. We will have the 4 raised to power 1 by 2. So finally 3 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2, it will be equal to 1 by 3 into 2. That will be equal to 2 by 3. This will be the answer of the third part. Now come to the fourth part. Cube root of 16 raised to power minus 3 by 4 देखिए फोर्थ पार्ट, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 16 raised to power minus 3 by 4 into 125 raised to power minus 2. So in order to make it positive, what I have done, I have written 2 raised to power 4 into 3 by 4. 1 upon 2 कर दिया इसको, 1 upon 2 raised to power 4 into 3 by 4 into 1 upon 5 raised to power 3 into 2 whole raised to power 1 by 3. So it will be equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. You see the 4 and 4 will be cancelled. 2 raised to power 3 into 3 and 3 will be cancelled into 1 upon 5 raised to power 3 into 2 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So ultimately we will get 1 by 2 into 1 upon 5 raised to power 2. It will be equal to 1 by 2 into 25. That will be equal to 1 by 50. Fifth part, 32 raised to power minus 2 by 5 divided by 216 raised to power minus 2 by 3. So this 32 can be written 2 raised to power 5 into minus 2 by 5, 5 and 5 will be cancelled, divided by 6 raised to power 3 into minus 2 by 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So ultimately we will get here 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 6 raised to power minus 2. It will be equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 divided by 1 upon 6 raised to power 2. That will be equal to 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 36. So here 1 upon 4 into 36 by 1 is equal to 9. Now come to the question number 2. Evaluate 64 upon 125 raised to power minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 upon 256 raised to power 1 upon 256 whole upon 625 raised to power 1 by 4 plus in bracket root 25 give root of 64 whole raised to power 0. So this will become 1. Now 256, that will be 4 raised to power 4 होता है, and 625 that will be 5 raised to power 4. So once this division sign will be changed into multiplication and it will be inverted, so ultimately the 4 will come as a numerator and 5 will be the denominator. So 4 by 5 raised to power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled here. Here the 64 that is written here because it is minus, so I have inverted it. The 64 will come here, the 4 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. This 3 and 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So ultimately we will get here the raised to power 0, that will be equal to 1. So 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 into 4 by 5 plus 1, that will be equal to 5 by 4 plus 1. So 5 by 4 plus 5 plus 4 but by 4, that will be equal to 9 by 4. It will be equal to 2 and 1 by 4. This is the first part of the question number 2. Now come to the second part. Second part is 9 raised to power 3 by 2 minus 3 into 5 raised to power 0 minus 1 upon 81 raised to power minus 1 by 2. This 9 can be written 3 raised to power 2 into 3 by 2 and 2 will be cancelled, minus as it is 3 as it is 5 raised to power 0, that is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 81 raised to power 1 upon 81 raised to power minus 1 by 2 tha. Now it will become 81 raised to power 1 by 2 in order to make it positive. I have brought the 81 in the numerator part. Now ultimately we will get 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 minus 3 raised to power 4. 81 can be written 3 raised to power 4 into 1 by 2. So 4 will be cancelled by 2. This will be 2. So 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 minus 3 raised to power 2. It will be equal to 27 minus 3 minus 9. After solving we will get 15 and it will be the answer of second part. Now come to the third part, that is 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2 minus 3 into 8 raised to power 2 by 3 into 4 raised to power 0 plus 9 upon 16 raised to power minus 1 by 2. Here it will be, in order to make it positive, I can take this 4 as a numerator. So 4 raised to power 2 minus 3 into 2 raised to power 3. 8 has been written 2 raised to power 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 4 raised to power 0, that is equal to 1, plus here after making the positive power, this will be inverted. So 16 will be equal to 4 raised to power 2 and 9 3 raised to power 2. So 4 by 3 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2, 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Ultimately here we will get 4 ka square, that will be equal to 16. Here 3 into 2 square plus 4 by 3. So 16 minus 12 plus 4 by 3. Ultimately it will be 4 and 4 by 3. That can be written 4 plus 1 and 1 by 3. It will be equal to 5 and 1 by 3. And it is the answer of third part. Now come to the fourth part. 16 raised to power 3 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2 raised to power minus 1 into 3 raised to power 0. 16 has been written 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 4 into 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. This will be equal to, you see, just I will invert it. So 2 will go up, 2 into 2 into 1. Ultimately it will be equal to 8 plus 4, that will be 12. Now come to the fifth part. 81 raised to power 3 by 4 minus 1 upon 32 whole raised to power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 raised to power 1 by 3 in bracket 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 into 2 raised to power 0. So you can see the 2 raised to power 0, that will be equal to 1. Here it will be 2 raised to power 2. Here the 8 has been written 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Here minus power is there, minus in power. So in order to make it positive, 32 will go up and 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 5 into 2 by 5. So 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Here 81, that is 3 raised to power 4. 81 can be written 3 raised to power 4 into 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So 3 by 3 raised to power 3, that will be equal to 27. Here it will be equal to 2 ka square, that is 4. Here it will be 2 into 4. So 4 to the 8 and 27 minus 4, that will be 23. So 23 plus 8, that is equal to 31. This will be the answer of fifth part. Now come to the question number 3. First part, that is evaluate x raised to power 1 by 2 into y raised to power minus 1 into z raised to power 2 by 3 when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 8. So x is equal to 9, that is 9 raised to power 1 by 2 into 2 raised to power minus 1 in place of y, in z 8 raised to power 2 by 3. Further you solve it, you will get here 9 ka square root, that is 3. This will become 1 by 2. 8 raised to power 2 by 3, that is 2 raised to power 3 into 2 by 3. 3 will be cancelled. So here it will be 3, 1 by 2, and it will be equal to 2 raised to power 2. This 2 and this square को cancel कर देंगे हम लोग. So only we are left with the 3 into 2, that will be equal to 6. Evaluate as a fraction 27 by 8 raised to power 2 by 3. This 27 can be written 3 raised to power 3 and 8 can also be written 2 raised to power 3. Minus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2 plus 5 raised to power 0. 5 raised to power 0 has been written 1. Here in order to make it positive, I have brought this 4 in the numerator part, that will be the 4 square. Here 3 by 2 raised to power 3 into 2 by 3, 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So we are left with the 3 by 2 ka whole square, that will be equal to 9 by 4. 4 square, that is 16. This will be 1. So 13 by 4 minus 16. देखिए 4 1 जा 4 plus 9, that is 13 by 4. So 13 by 4 minus 16, it will be equal to 13 minus 64 by 4. It will be equal to minus 51 by 4, which will be equal to minus 12 and 3 by 4. This will be the answer of second part. Now third part, the evaluate as a fraction. Square root of 1 by 4 plus 0.01 raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 27 raised to power 2 by 3. सो 1/4 का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो 1/2 आ जाएगा, 100 का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो 1/2 आएगा, सॉरी 100 का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो 10 आ जाएगा। 3 माइनस 3 3 3 कैंसिल, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, so it will be equal to 1/2 plus 10 minus 9, ultimately it will be equal to 1/2 plus 1, so that can be written in mixed numeral 1 and 1/2. This will be the required answer of third part of question number 3. That's all.